say goodbye to shy, but why? What's wrong with shy? No, there's not something wrong with shy. I say that shy people have wonderful qualities. I say they are more full, mindful, careful, even typically thoughtful. But shy people also have a tendency to really be misunderstood and often tell me that they feel disconnected in social settings. Recently, I heard an interview with Dr. Phil, probably one of the most recognizable and well-known psychologists in the world. He was asked, what is the number one thing that keeps us from achieving our best life? Dr. Phil said, the thing that keeps us from that best life is our inclination to stay in our comfort zones. That's what I have found to be true for those of us that identify as shy. We want to stay in our comfort zones. To get people out of their comfort zones and say goodbye to shy, I'm holding a workshop on October 23rd. And we've included a registration link in the description here. I want you to register today. It is especially designed for teens, preteens, and their parents. Now, if you're no longer a parent of a teen or preteen, then share this link with somebody who is and let them register, because we're going to work together for 2 hours and I will teach advanced communication techniques and specific strategies for dealing with shy. Just be willing to try and step out of your comfort zone, and let's say goodbye to the struggles we've been having with shy. Those are my 2 cents in these 2 minutes. I want to see you at that workshop soon.